Benginaso se-Durban July ngikutshele indaba ebuhlungu mhlape ngazi noma izoba buhlungu kwena noma izoba buhlungu kumina ngazi kwi-Durban July mangako Instagram yami nala TikTok ngishuthe ehotela kwathi sekumele ngihambe nye kwi-July wanqaba lapho ngiholile I have a brand sponsorship ngibizwe ibrand la sengigqokile sekumele ngihambe wanqaba to the point ukuthi wangidonsa ngengubo icorset yazi yangigwaza wachaza khona ukuthi ingubo yami isigcwele igazi ngisakwazi kandawo vele ngahlala kanjalo njengoba nani ngibona ngibhampa embedeni ke ngenze ngathi ngenza content it's not because ngafuna ukwenza content ngangiqashe uJuly mina I just could not go because wa decide yena ukuthi angi wathi mayisuka lapho ngabo 2 wangishiya embedeni ngilele wayogroova yena call from an ex of mine ithi happy new year kanti ifoni iphetho yena yabo so umuntu noma eseyibamba yena ifoni athi nje umuntu i-ex ithi habo happy new year Sikhokho simple phone call ngo-new year phone ngisho na yikato kade walikhohlwa
yabona
happy new year Sikhokho hayi waphuca ifoni wangiphusha ngaphandle hotel uthi ngiphume ngale wakuvala isicapha wayithuka i-ex yabantu yathi sabathe ingane yabantu mina bengizothi happy new year bengingazi ukuthi ngiyona ngiyaxolisa hayi yasha inhlamba emthuka mase ngene eroomini ngabona ukuthi abola ngizoklinywa ngeke ngilale same time wathi ekhuluma esangithethisa ngabe ngibhukha iflight kwakuyi31 9 o'clock ngabe ngibhukha iflight ngingamtshele lutho ngo4 ekseni ngavuka sengithi bye bye sengiyahamba wathi uyaphi ngathi ngiyekhaya wathi usaphendula isuitcase kade sengihlisile ngibeke enzansi so nje noma kuthiwe bezama ukungivimba ngathi nje I'm going home
mina ngiyazi ngani kodwa manje no lento yangiconfuse ifamily yakhe ibiyazi ngani kodwa ubrother uyakuphika
kune video lamadleka la engigqoke khona traditional dress yamaXhosa
okay
ngikubo mawuyibuka ivideo uCousin udansa nami sidansa sobabili la ivideo
isesithejini
angithi angazi mina ngazi udansa noCousin nangidansa noCousin
it's how my god kufike i-content creator/influencer olwenze ibar
yisilima mina sinothade yasi siyilima
oh kule road trip leyana man
Kakutshela ukuthi hey zayimpirima kulamjulu zayimporoma zimpirima zemporoma lapho bameshile noCousin bagqoka ublack and white ngenhle ngathi mina ngifuna ugqoka black and white wathi lutho ngawulokothi
shothi nje kwi-family wathiwa nje my gay friend is coming over.
I don't think that was the case. I think khona babazi because I'm not going to say who khona wathi eseyong introduce kulaba abanye athi nangu sisweni omdala khona babazi bebazi abanye emndenini ukuthi zinje ukuthi nje phela khona imndeni evunanayo noma wenza into wrong uyabo kwakuyinto kanjalo ke nje mina ngingintroduce ngosisi omdala ngabona ukuthi umuntu obengithatha ngifaka egumbini isicabuzane kucatshuzana kube nje wayifihlani lo muntu angefihli lutho
yes
because nami ingqondo buyikushiye umuntu mayenza into obungayilindeli uthade yasi uNomonde umngane wami uAndile lo engabaleka ngagcina sengihleli kuyena mina ngena umuntu othulayo kusho mase ngijwayele angena umuntu othulayo yazi ngoAndile mhlawumbe ngahlala 5 hours ngingazi ngizothini kene naye ngibuka nami ngimbuka ngilimele ekhanda ngiyasaba nokumtshela ukuthi hayibo ngilimele njalo ekhanda I think mhlawumbe wazibonela sengihamba ukuthi la esiphundu bengilimele bengopha inwele zaze zanamathela egazini yabo la ama security ase Cape Town asihlele khona ngakutshela from the beginning wangiphusha from i-elevator ngaze ngayo ngena endlini ngawa ngahlala ngezingqaphansi wangithuka ayikho igama ngibizanga ngalo wangithuka wavala isicapha wathatha isikhe wahamba ngakhileka ngaphakathi eBnB
yes
ukuthi wayekephi angimazi ngaze ngafonela security downstairs bazongivulela lawo ma-security ahamba nami ayongibhekisa yena ethi njengoba ephume la ebusuku bazombamba inkunzi asambe sombheka ahamba nami ama-security sayombheka sangamtholi wabuye ngoba sekuthanda yena. The following day I had a gig to do. Ngathi ngifika kwi-makeup angazi nokuthi wathini uNombuso sesongenza i-makeup uNombuso zehli ngembezi wabe sabathe u-makeup ufake i-makeup Nombuso zehli ngembezi kwachaza ukuthi angikhansela igig. That's not the first gig that I lost because of him. I've lost a car brand dealership, a car brand collaboration because of him. I've lost maybe about 4 contracts.
Uthi kumina awuyifuni imoto kanjani kanti usaba induku.
Mina mangabe lutho mngane bamolandela uTikTok wami mina ngisitsho ngitshelisa istory uyasibona nestory khona la bese nje ngishayela khona imoto senginemoto nje imoto nje sekweyami nje impela nje yabo kwathi sekumele ngiyosebenza umfana ngolesihlanu wathi nje ungezi la Eastern Cape ngathi kanjani manje ngoba uyazi ngiyasebenza wathi ungezi ngahlala njalo ke ngingayanga ke kwangaqamba manga kwi-brand wakwenza kwesibili futhi wakwenza okwesithathu wadina ukuthi abafuni ukuthi abe i-designated driver.
Ala moto yakhe yobona umzala.
Hayi bo behamba ngemoto yami yobona umzala. Lalela ke sengikhuluma nabakubo abakubo bathi hayibo thina phela siyamazi lona ubeza shayile ngisho imoto eshuthela content imoto ebeyinikwe i-brand ngithi nidakiwe ke imoto yami leyo bengela moto loyo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Dominic Zaqa uyaqhubeka noku-expose i-ex-boyfriend lemphika koleligama lakhe Anathi. So uyasho nje ukuthi even ifamily ya-Anathi they knew about her. Nkosi yami uthi vele bekujolwa ba-happy, they were in a relationship, baqabuzana ngisho nasemotini. And guys, the story lesi yadisindida cause lona ufika khulume kwakhe u-Anathi saying ukuthi I've never dated uDominic. Mina noDominic we were just close but we were not dating. Bantu abakholwe abayekelele lakholwa yonke into labayeva ku-social media phike mfana ashikishe. uDominic yena abuya asitshele ukuthi vele mfana they were in a relationship, they were in love, mfana bekamuhlupha mushaya umluzise ngisho nema-brand deals, uluze former brand deals because of that guy wamshaya thanga eDurban July. Hey, it's Sigaxa after Sigaxa Kesana. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.